It is March 10th at about 1:48. Just a short time ago, we closed the short. As you can see, we are long. We are long now the NQM, the June contract. On an intraday basis, we had a drawdown of $15. As you can see, that's a little bit better than what we experienced last. We had a high water mark of 110. Now, why did we go long? Well, we're watching our putting machine on an intraday basis, otherwise known as the swing machine, when it's set for a daily or weekly. And yes, she is short, but what we're seeing is that the selling is drying up. So we're acting a little bit early, and in addition, she got down to about 53.70, which was the low side of the green, 53.69. So she rolled off the green, she's coming back in, and we're now moving back toward the middle of the green and very well to the highs. We never really know, but we like to do our selling on the high side of the green and do our buying on the low side of the green. When we miss, if we miss, we miss it on what they call the pro side. When you're playing golf, you want to miss it, they talk about missing it on the pro side. Retail traders, many amateur traders are doing just the opposite. When they see their candles turning red and things price sliding down, they sell, and then it rips back and they cover and only to go back and forth. They're doing it just the opposite. So we're going to keep this trade on here for a few minutes anyways, and we'll come back. We'll see how much of the bulls want to get in front of this. If they do, great, we'll be in it for longer and for much more, and if not, we'll just take our bread. Not every putt is a 30-footer or a 50-footer or a 100-footer for $1,000. Sometimes, it's just a little tap in, but we'll be back. If you like this sort of approach to the markets, as opposed to trying to read someone else's tea leaves on a chart, especially intraday, check us out. I'm Bag and Don at StockMarketCaddy.com, and we provide you the opportunity to see what we see on a daily basis, particularly for daily and weekly and monthly setups. The intraday signals are still a work in progress to make them available to everybody. And the more members we have, the more potential we have to do that. But we can certainly help you develop similar systems. Can't promise you that you'll make money, but we can promise you that you'll have fun, that you'll learn a lot, and you probably never look at the markets the same. We'll be back. Okay, folks, just to update this putt. The time is, we're still March 10th. It's 2:14 real time, and you can see the winning position up there. We're seeing more buying coming in here. We are at prices at 53.80. The middle of the green is 53.81. So we have ridden from the front edge, the low side of the green, to the middle side, and then somewhere between the middle and hopefully the higher end, 59.92.93. We will close this long position. The swing machine is letting us know, the putting machine, intraday we call it a putting machine, is letting us know that we're on a counter trend long. We made our money on the short side. Now comes in the buying, and so we want to see the buying continue. We want to see this get long, and then ideally even see this get long. If that's the case, we're going to have a very, very nice head start, probably $200 or $300 head start, and maybe we make more on the long side. Once again, intraday, we are ambidextrous. We'll go long, we'll go short, we'll go short, we'll go long. We don't really care. We're providing market liquidity, folks. All right, we'll be back, and I'm Bag of Don, StockMarketCaddy.com, and you're always welcome to call. You're always welcome to write, and better yet, follow and join for 2, 3, 4 months. And I promise you this: can't promise you'll make money. We don't recommend positions, but I can promise you that you'll have fun. I'll promise you that you'll learn, and promise you that you'll see things here that you've never seen anyplace else. Okay, folks, we're coming back on. In this instance, it doesn't appear that we're going to get much more than the middle part of the green. So we're making just a personal decision to go ahead and to close that position. So, they're not all 30 footers, 50 footers. That was probably what was it, about a 17 footer, right? It was 17, 18 feet, 170 bucks, 180 bucks. Thank you very much. We're bagging on. I'm bagging on. This is stockmarketcaddy.com. If you want to get a view on all the markets on Sunday night, daily, weekly, all markets, all ETFs, the prima donna stocks, the top stocks, the most volatile stocks, and get updates each and every day after the market. Now, after the market closes, so that you can do your homework that night, the next morning, and be ready for the market. Boy, I got to tell you, I don't know where else you can go to get this kind of view. So feel free to follow us for 2, 3, 4, 5 months, and give us a check. Stockmarketcaddy.com.